Mpenzi mtazamaji wa Amaya TV, ninakukaribisha tena katika hii channel ambayo inakuletea mambo moto pindi tu yanapojipuka. Kama sasa hivi ninakupea story ama kuna mambo imeweza kutokea katika kaunti ya Kilifi. Watu watatu wako katika hali mbaya, critical condition, na watu 11 wameweza kunusurika. Walinusurika Alhamisi usiku na polisi, ambapo walikuwa katika nyumba moja kijiji cha Shakahola, kaunti ya Kilifi, ambapo inasemekana kuwa walikuwa katika ibada ya kufunga na njaa hadi kufa. Kati hao ni wenye wamekufa, kati yao ni watu 6 ikiwamo watoto 2. Na haya ni yale wameweza kuambiwa na Pastor Paul Mackenzie kutoka kanisa la Good News International Church, kwamba waweze kufast mpaka kifo ili waweze kuungana na Mungu wao. Hili si jambo la kwanza. Huyu pastor pia kuna wakati aliweza kushtakiwa kwamba kwa kitendo kama hicho pia, ambapo ilifanya watoto 2 wakaaga dunia. Ndio bado tunajiuliza, ni kanisa hii, ni mafunzo ya ukweli ambayo tunaendelea kuyathibitisha? Watu wanaambiwa wanastarve, wanafast mpaka kukufa ili waende kuungana na Mungu wao, ama ni ile tu watu hawaoni, watu ni kudanganywa, wanadanganywa? Katika hapo kwa comment, naomba uweze kuacha comment yako hapo, uweze kuniambia ni nini, tumefikia wapi hii Kenya yetu? Ni nini inaendelea? Mbona tunaambiwa tu fast mpaka kukufa, hadi saizi watu wamekufa, wengine wako na majeraha, wako in a critical condition. Endelea kucomment na kulike na kusubscribe. Pindi tu tunapoweka video ingine utakuwa unaiona.
Some people who were cited by members of public having been served somewhere and were just about to die. We rushed there and we were able to rescue about 15 people. And among the 15 people, 4 died as we were proceeding to hospital, because the area is very vast and vehicles could not get to where they are. So as we are trying to get them to where the transport was, 4 succumbed.
The 4 who died among the rescued are reportedly followers of the controversial Good News International Church Pastor Paul Mackenzie.
The people there were being starved after being radicalized by a certain member of a church who told them that their work in this world is done and that they are waiting for, they should die and go and see their creator.
Police also noting in their records that they had been informed of a mass grave in the area containing at least 31 dead persons who were part of Mackenzie's church, but which they did not find.
Information at hand is that there are more people who are believed to be in the bush, and we are still in the course of investigations to go and see, to verify how true that is.
Paul Mackenzie became a person of interest in late March after he was linked to the deaths of 2 children who were allegedly starved to death by their parents, believed to have been acting on advice from the extremist spiritual leader. Despite being subsequently charged in court, Mackenzie was released on a 10,000 police bond. The survivors are admitted at Malindi Sub-County Hospital with 3 in critical condition.
We are yet to decide on what to do with them. As you may be aware, is that attempting to commit suicide is an offense.